Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, we are going to share with you a copy paste jobs online mobile CPA offers actually that you can simply learn and then you can earn the money from that right away here. So what I want from you is to watch the video to the very end to not miss any single part of the strategy because we are going to put together some websites and then maximizing the result from that. So today video will be and today method will be absolutely a free method and copy paste method, and also this will be available on mobile or smartphone. If you are having a smartphone, so you are good to go with this method and you can do that, and that you can earn a decent amount of money from that right away here. So we are just going to use OfferVault or Max Bounty, or you can use CPA lead, or you can use any website that you are interested with that or you like that or it's available in your country. Even CPAGrip you can simply use. The main thing and the main strategy is that how you can promote these offers to the right audience and on the right time actually. So today video will be basically absolutely a free method and free strategy that you will learn, and then you can earn the money from that right away here. So I just need to have uh, your attention to just watch the video to the very end to not miss any single part of the strategy. And also please watch the video and hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. And if you want to have a decent amount of money on a two pallet system right away here, so then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will have a comprehensive training over there from A to Z, that each and everything will be mentioned there, and you can learn from there as well right away here. So let's begin the strategy and not further waste the time and jump straight into the strategy. As I told you at the beginning, you can use OfferVault, you can use Max Bounty, you can use CPAGrip.com, you can use CPA Lead, any website that you're preferring or it is available in your country or you already sign up to that, so you can easily access into that. So basically we will use the OfferVault in today's video, that how we can promote the CPA offers right here. So once we come to the offervault.com right here, you can simply just see here the search bar, and also you can write down, you can also see here different offers right here that you can simply choose, and then you can start promoting. But before choosing the product, we would just like to just go to the category section, and here we can just select the email submit. This will be the one category, and we can also select another category which will be give us more clarity actually that we can simply promote, which will be the CPA. So we have to promote the CPA offers, and that should be email submit right away here. So once we do that, then we will have all available uh, all available, for example, um, offers right here that we can simply promote. So these are the different offers for different countries right here that you can simply see here, and we can simply choose it right here, any one we want right here. So we can basically we can choose. So this is an offer right here like Bitcoin evolution, which is available in more than 56 countries right here. So this is a great product right here, and this is another product. You can simply choose any product you want, for example. So the one product that's available in more countries, so that will be a better product and a great product right over here. You can simply choose, and then you can simply select right here. So I have chosen this product right here, online cinema.eu multi geo, okay, CPA, which is this will be the name right here, and this will be the main website. And here that will pay us $9.26 per CPA, and this will be the landing page, and here will be the category entertainment, and here will be the network my lead. So basically on OfferVault, whenever you are promoting the offers, you have to be registered with that network right here, okay? So they have, for example, if it is my lead, network is my lead, then we have to register with my lead. So and here it will show us that how many countries that is available, and 249 countries means a lot of country in the world this offer is available. So that's why we can simply select and we can simply promote our offers with this brilliant offers right here by just clicking the run offer. Once we click on the run offer, we need to sign up with my lead. Once we sign up with my lead, then we can have our affiliate link our CPA link, and then we can start promoting. And another coolest part in OfferVault is right here. If this is the one product, then you can simply scroll down. You can simply see here similar products right here as well, that it will be available in more countries right here. You can simply see here, and then you can easily find out more products right here by the help of one product. Then you can simply change into other products, and you can simply choose it right here from the same network right here. So once you sign up to mylead.com, then you can promote their products without any hesitation right here. So once we grab our affiliate link or CPA link right here, so we can simply promote and we can send to people definitely. So once they click on our link, they will be redirected to this page right here, and then they can simply check right here. For example, check out a database right here. Here they can simply just join and sign up and add a register right here. Once they register, they submit their email, so we are earning money from that right away here. And then they can simply search anything they want right here, so then they can simply just they are good to go with that right away here. So simply they will access to all these contents right here. So once we do that, the first step will be that actually that we can simply copy our special CPA link and shorten with bit.ly tune URL or Cataly URL shortener websites. You can simply shorten that. Once you shorten that, the next step will be that you can simply promote. So I will basically show you two different platforms right here that we can simply promote offers right here with this. The first platform will be the Hercules.com. Hercules.com is a website actually with free advertising, and it is advertised thousands daily free. Means you can every single day you can advertise your ad or by email submit to thousands of people right here. Basically it's really easy. You just need to sign up and then submit your ads right here. Once it is submitted, so the hercules.com team will just submit into thousands of different people right away here. Basically it is a joint network that you can simply promote it right here on this website. So you can simply see here that that is more than 24,100, something like this members are actually right now, and that's already active members right here. So what we need to do, we can simply earn the money from this as well right here. But the coolest part is here that it is a mobile friendly website, means you can do from the mobile. You can submit your ads through mobile. It's not a problem. And you can also increase, for example, you can also increase it activity, more traffic, more result from this copy paste method. Of course it is also paid method as well, but you can access per day thousands of people, okay, for free. But if you need more pictures and need to access to more people, then you need to have a paid option right here, okay. But we are going to use this for absolutely free. So the first step will be that you here you can simply see here these three lines. You just need to click on that. Here you will have the option for sign up and log in. If you don't have an account, then you need to click on the sign up button, and you need to sign up for this website right here. Once you sign up and log into your account right here, here you will see the interface right here and this website. Here you will see the different ads available on this page right here. You don't need to add click on ads, or even you don't need to click right here, because they have written get your website featured and this Hercules login spot. Click here. Do not just click on that. Even this is an ad that they can show you. Here you will see the option members right here. You just need to click on the members. Once you click on the members right here, you already sign in. Then you will have this interface right here. Here you will have the paid options right here. Mailer inbox, for example, Hercules logging ads right here. Submit daily email and web plus ads right here. So these are all the paid version, like pre 5 credits required, okay. So here these are all the paid methods. You just need to scroll down almost to the bottom right here. You can simply see here, and here will be your information that you have logged in, and under this here you will find it out, for example, mailers, credit lobs and keys, okay. So here is the option that you can simply submit regular mailer mailing available, yes, okay. Means it I did not submit my ads to 1,000 people today, so that's why it is yes, means it's available. I just need to click on submit email and web ad. So once I click on that, so it will move and forward my ads into different people. So what you need to do, you can simply write a catchy title as an email and a catchy description, including your link, special link. For example, you can simply just tell people it depends on your ads right here. Sorry, on your ads on your offer. That what you need to write. For example, if this is an offer, you just need to tell people that you can simply join us for free series available online or free contents available online today by just hitting your email address into the software or to the database. You will easily access into that right here. So once you do that, then you can also add your special affiliate links there, and then you can submit your ads right away here. So then you are good to go. The other team or the Hercules team will just submit your ads into thousands of people emails right away there. Okay, so once you do one day, the next day you can do the same thing, the third day you can do the same thing. Even if there's 5 or 10 people out of thousands of people, if only 1% just click on your ad and join, so how much money you will get it from that right away here. So that is the coolest part, that you have all each and everything for absolutely free. This is one website, and another website as a bonus I can also show you, that you can also use the free ads time.org. Okay, free ads time.org is the main website right here, and this is the main interface. Here you will see the option post an ad right here. So this is also a website, and the coolest part here about this website is here that you can easily target any country or any state or any city in the US right here. Okay, simply you can select the state and the city right away here, and then you are good to go with that, and you can easily post your ads inside of these targeted locations right here. So what you need to do is simply click on the post an ad option right here. Once you click on the post ad right here, then you can simply just go right here, scroll down. So you can simply see here ads, but don't worry about those ads. You will have three options right here, like post a classified ads, add a business listing, sell a new product. You can simply click on the post a classified ads. You just need to click and close the ad if it's available for you. So once you close that, then you will move to the next step right away here. So the next step will be that you simply just choose the category right here. Okay, choose a category. For example, which category is that? So any category like services you are providing, you can simply choose. Jobs are there, important export is there, free stuff is there, but I will just select the free stuff. So here what you need to do, you can simply select other free stuff right here, and then you can simply scroll down, and then you simply continue that. So once you click on the continue, you will move to the second step right here, that you can simply add the location. So you just need to scroll down right here. You need to add the location, what location or what country you need. For example, if I'm promoting into US, I just select US, and then I select uh, uh, the state right here. So I have to select Connecticut. Then I can select, for example, the city. So the city will be any city that I want, for example. So I can simply select a Bolton. I can simply select. Once I select the city, state, and the country, then I click on the continue right here. So once I click on the continue, then I can simply add the title, description, and those things right here very easily, and that will not require any problem for me right here. So here is the title. So the same title we have used in Hercules, the same title we can use here, and the description, the same description what we submit in the hercules.com right away here, so we can also use it right here. So these were the two brilliant websites that you can use for absolutely free and start promoting your CPA offers by just copying and pasting the contents right away here. So it's easy and it's available worldwide. No excuse is required for you. You just need to take action on the method. At the backside, you can simply see the result from that right away here. So hope you like the method and you take action on the method. And if you need to have a step-by-step training that how you can promote your CPA offers or affiliate links, just hit the first link in the description of this video, and you will have a comprehensive training from A to Z that how you can promote your CPA offers right away there. So if you like the video, please hit the like button as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.